Katie noticed her car used 13 1/4 gallons of gas to travel a total of 357 3/4 miles this week. What is her car's gas mileage in miles per gallon? To solve this problem, we're going to start by writing the rate as a fraction. The order of the units in the rate is super important. Miles per gallon means we'll put miles in the numerator and gallons in the denominator. 357 3/4 miles per 13 1/4 gallons. A fraction like this also can be thought of as a division problem, and so let's rewrite it that way. The numerator is going to start my division problem. 357 3/4 divided by the denominator, 13 1/4. To continue the process of dividing, we'll need to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. This is 357 groups of 4/4, so we can multiply this by 4 and add 3 to see how many total fourths we have. It ends up looking like this: 1,431 fourths divided by 53 fourths. The next step is going to be to invert and multiply. What this means is we're going to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So now it looks like 1,431 fourths times 4 53rds. Because of the commutative property of multiplication, I can put this 4 on either side of the 1,431. So I could rewrite the problem so that it looks like this. And the reason that this is important and helpful is that now we see this 4/4, or 4/4, right? That's one whole. So whenever you multiply something by one whole, we're not really going to see any change at all. And that means we can go ahead and ignore this 4/4, and we're left with 1,431 53rds. Our last step is going to be to simplify that fraction. We can think of it as a division problem again. 1,431 divided by 53 gives us 27. This week, the gas mileage of Katie's car was 27 miles per gallon.